our competitors always say, why do you guys go so crazy on a wood chipper? Look, other brands use cheap steel for blades. We don't. We choose special steels through special treatments. Others choose standard bearings. We don't. We choose better. Some people say, hey, it's just a wood chipper. Your customer cannot even see inside. Why spend so much? Here's the thing. Listen, I've seen too many machines fall apart after even less 6 months. Blades go down, bearings break. Customers get pissed and then they say, yeah, Chinese stuff, cheap, but not great. That really bothers me, So we decided to do it different. We're not trying to be the cheapest. We just want to build something that lasts, something that you can beat on every day and it still runs. Something that when a customer opens it up, maybe a guy in Europe or the US, he sees the wells, the materials, the way it put together, and he thinks, okay, these guys actually care. Yeah, profit matters. We are business. But if profit is the only thing on your mind, you will never make anything great. So sounds cheesy maybe, but our goal is simple. Show the world that made in China can mean tough, reliable, no bullshit quality. We have been doing this for years. We are not stopping. Every time that engine fires up, branches start flying around. That's not just work getting done. That's us proving a point. Peace. Thank you.